See you soon. Have a great day. I'm so happy. That's a great idea. Let's catch up soon. I'm hungry. Let's eat. I'm lost. Can you help? I love this weather. I'm so grateful. That's amazing. I'm excited. I'm on my way. Let's take a break. I'm so proud of you. That's really cool. I'm feeling sick. Let's go for a walk. I'm so thankful. That's hilarious. I'm exhausted. Can you call me? I'm almost done. Let's meet up soon. I'm so relieved. I'm feeling tired. That's awesome. I'm feeling stressed. Let's get coffee. I'm so happy for you. That's really kind. I'm so impressed. Can you text me? I'm on my way home. Let's take a nap. I'm so excited. That's really fun. I'm feeling better. Let's go shopping. I'm so proud of myself. That's really good. I'm so grateful. Can you help me out? I'm almost there. That's amazing news. I'm so relieved. Let's get started. I'm busy today. Let's grab lunch. I hope you my video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel.